Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to start a new chapter, application of computers. Students, we already know that today is a computer era. We are almost surrounded by computers, even if it is mobile, it is laptop, it is computer, anything. We are almost surrounded by the computers. In our home also we are having many electrical appliances which work very easily with the help of computer technologies. So modern technologies and computers are very fast, they are reliable, they are accurate, they are efficient too. They can easily uh, able to control traffic lights, cars, transport system. In the home we are able to play the music or videos. Almost anything means everything computer can perform. Whether it's a mathematical problem, it's a complex or a simple problem, they can easily do it. Modern computers can solve billions of math problems per second. In our homes, where they are used for things such as listening to music, readings, the news, or typing the letters. Despite of these very important uses of computer also play a very important role in the economical development of the society. So our first topic is it is used in medicine or medical department. Computer technologies and computer diagnose diseases and to examine the internal organs of the human body. They are also used to perform the surgeries. Inside the operation theater, there are various electrical and various computer devices used to perform to monitor the patient's data, and they are also used to store the uh, hospital staff and patients information. Next is it is used in mathematical calculations. As we have all earlier said that it can solve simple as well as complex questions. So computers have computing speeds of over a million calculation per second. We can perform a biggest complex mathematical calculation in a fraction of second. Okay. Yes, it is used in the banks also. All the financial transactions are nowadays done by computer softwares, and it also provide the security, speed, and save lot of time. And while sitting at our home, we can able to perform the banking transaction. We can able to use the banking services with the help of mobile banking apps. So it is widely used in the field of banks also. Next is travel industry. Yes, it is widely used in the travel industry. We can easily book air tickets or railway tickets, or also can make the hotel reservation online with the help of the computer. We are not we don't have to go to the railway station or the bus station and make a long queues and book our ticket. While sitting at our home, we can easily book a reservation 24 by 7 anytime. Next is internet. What is internet? It is a connection of many computers in the world. We can search any information we want with the help of internet. Through electronic mail, we can communicate with a person which are 1000 miles away in seconds. We already know that with the help of internet, what you are doing, you are making your projects, right? The teacher is giving any topic and you're coming at the home and you are searching over the internet and making the projects, right? You can easily play the games also. You install various types of apps and play the games online. Okay. And next, you are using the WhatsApp, you are using the various kind of apps with the help of internet. Next is our examination. Yes, we can give online exams and get instant results. With the help of online examination, we can check our examination results online also. Next, it is used in business. Shops and supermarkets use software which calculate the bills. Taxes can be calculated and paid online, and accounting is done using the computer. So when you are going to any supermarket or or any malls, you shop the things, okay, and when you come to pay the bill, so they can easily calculate your amount what you have to pay. They can easily, with the help of software, they can easily calculate the amount which you have to pay. You have to pay the bill at the counter, okay. So it is widely used in the business also. Next is our ATM machine. All of you have seen also, I think. The ATM machine used for dispensing cash and are also operated by computer. Next is news. There are many websites on internet through which you can read the old news also. Yes, robotics. Nowadays, robots are very important. They can do the work of humans. So robots are also controlled by computers. What is a robot? It is a computerized machine which somewhat looks like a human and is capable of performing complex tasks. Robots are used often in automobile manufacturing and aircraft assembly. Computers have become very important for the mankind. It's certainly a truth that computers have made our life totally different, progressive and better. Now you can think and recall in your day to day life, you are using the computer, you are using the application of computers or not. Okay, you get up, okay, you watch the movies, you watch the serials, you watch the cartoons. What is it is? It is the application of computer. You are using the mobile phones also, it is the application of computer. Okay, so on the next we can do the exercises of this chapter. Till then, please read this chapter and understand it. Thank you.